All right, so we're gonna do a separating mixtures lab. In my container, I have sand, rocks, and iron filings. Do not shout out. I want you to think, is this mixture a heterogeneous mixture or a homogeneous mixture? Think. Don't say it out loud. Just think. Okay? I want you to put one finger in the air if you think it's heterogeneous, 2 fingers in the air if you think it's homogeneous. All right, I see some ones, and I see a couple twos. All right, Javar, tell us why you think it's a heterogeneous mixture.
Okay, because there's parts that you can plainly see and they're all different.
They're all different, and I want everyone to say it at the same time when I point to you. I know that the prefix hetero means
Different.
It has different parts that you can plainly see. I'm going to put this on your table. You're going to get the container, you're going to get a magnet, and you're going to get a sieve. Do not touch. Do we understand? Capiche? Thank you. When I separate my mixture, I always go easiest to hardest. The easiest way would be by hand, and we're not doing by hand today. So then the second step would be our magnet. Everyone should have a magnet at their table. Do not pick it up yet. That looks like this. When I put my magnet over my sand and my rocks and my iron, raise your hand if you think you know what's going to happen. King, what do you think is going to happen?
Okay, so if you get the magnet and then if you connect it with the metal, it will like it's what is the word? It's attraction.
Okay, so which substance in your mixture has magnetic properties? What is that?
Metal. Iron.
Iron filings. So your iron filings have a magnetic property.
You're not doing it right. You're not doing it right. You was not doing it right.
I don't know what you're doing.
She said mix it.
Personal damage of that thing.
I'm really mixing it up now. Mixture. Oh, that's pretty. I want to see it.
Okay, the next thing, so I've used my magnet. My iron filings are separated from my rocks and my sand. The next thing I'm going to do is use a sieve to separate the sand from the rocks.
Yeah.
All right? So you have an extra bucket at your desk, right? Everyone has the extra container. All right, so you are going to...
Some rocks are in there, but it's fine.
It's okay. I want to still have a piece of magnet stuff.
Because I don't want my hand to get hurt.
You scared? I just ruined my hand already. She's scared of me. I'm a real
Yeah,
chef.
he tried to throw it at me. Taylor, what happened?
Okay, so I have my sand by itself. I'm going to add water to my sand. And now I have a sand and water mixture. What is the sand soluble? Does it have the ability to dissolve? No. What happens to the sand and water when I add them? The sand sinks, therefore it has more density than the water because it sinks. All right, so in order to separate this water and sand mixture, I have to use a filter. You cannot see the holes in it, but there are teeny tiny holes that allow the liquid to go through them. So I'm going to put the filter on top of the funnel. And Harper, will you hold this? No, hold this right here, the funnel. No, just hold the funnel.
Okay.
Right there. Hold the funnel. All right, and so I'm going to pour the sand and the water into the funnel. And the water should be the only thing that goes through. Okay, and so if you come look a little bit closer, inside the funnel is the filter, and the filter has stopped the sand particles, but the water is still going through it. So the filter is able to keep the sand particles, the solid particle, from falling through, but the water is still able to go through it. And it's still going.
It is, watch. It's attracted to the magnet. Bro, why would it? The sand is literally blocking it.
We can't find
Cover it over.
And then it picks up the magnets.
Because this is magnetic and this is
Okay, here, let me tell them
and then
something.
you break it.